In this video we will talk about broccoli, benefits of eating broccoli. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel to be notified when we upload new videos daily. The name broccoli is derived from an Italian name, Brocco. It may not be a favorite vegetable for many, especially kids, but it has great number of properties to benefit your entire body. It can be stated as one of the finest vegetables which fight numerous diseases. With the high vitamin content, it tops the list in the vegetables department. It is known that broccoli has more vitamin C in comparison to orange. It also has good amount of calcium which you find in abundance in our very own milk. Just the presence of so many good qualities helps broccoli to combat many health problems. It contains components which fight deadly disease like cancer. Broccoli sprouts contains more cancer-fighting elements in comparison to well-developed broccoli. Eating broccoli sprouts on regular basis prevents stomach cancer. It also minimizes your chance of gastritis and peptic ulcer. Your sun-damaged skin gets a sigh of relief as it protects your skin. This saves you from diseases like skin cancer. Your heart problems are reduced and chances of heart diseases slope down to minimal. If you want to improve cataract problems, have broccoli sprouts at least twice a week. Your chances of having cataract are reduced immensely. It builds your immune system if you have broccoli in small amounts. It spikes your system due to the presence of zinc and other required minerals. It should be considered as a boon for many pregnant women because it contains folic acid. This folic acid is quite rare, due to which broccoli becomes very important. It helps in proper development of the fetus without any defects. It is very good to help you with rheumatoid arthritis. The richness of vitamin C in broccoli saves you from suffering pain by polyarthritis. It is great for asthma patients due to its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory factors. Many of your asthma problems are reversed by having broccoli. Deficiency of vitamin C is the main cause of easy bruising. This deficiency is overcome by eating broccoli. Home remedies of broccoli. Heart health. In addition to reducing cholesterol, broccoli can aid in heart health by helping to keep blood vessels strong. The sulforaphane in broccoli is also an anti-inflammatory and may be able to prevent or reverse damage to blood vessel linings caused by chronic blood sugar problems. Eating broccoli can help you to reduce the high sugar level. It may help prevent cancer. Broccoli is a member of the cruciferous veggie family, which also includes cauliflower, kale, Brussels sprouts, cabbage, and collard greens. May promote healthy bones and joints. Many of the nutrients found in broccoli are known to support healthy bones and may prevent bone-related disorders. Protect your skin from sun damage. Skin cancer is on the rise due in part to a damaged ozone layer and increased exposure to ultraviolet (UV) rays. Reducing the risk of cancer. Cruciferous vegetables contain a range of antioxidants, which may help prevent the type of cell damage that leads to cancer. It fights inflammation. In addition to helping to fend off premature aging, the anti-inflammatory power of broccoli is tied to a reduced risk of chronic diseases. It's a natural detox. Natural compounds in broccoli also act like detoxifiers, meaning they help to deactivate potentially damaging chemicals or shuttle them out of the body more quickly. Eye health. You've probably heard that carrots are good for your eyes, and that's because they contain lutein. It's a compound antioxidant that's really good for eye health, and broccoli is also a great way to get it. Digestion. Broccoli has nearly 1 gram of fiber per 10 calories. Fiber helps keep you regular and helps maintain healthy bacteria levels in the intestines. Boosting immune health. Vitamin C is an antioxidant that provides a range of benefits. It supports the immune system and may help prevent cancer, cardiovascular disease, cataracts, and anemia. Warning: none of the information on our videos is a substitute for a diagnosis and treatment by your health professional.